How to allow pop-ups in Safari on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to allow pop-ups in Safari on iPhone or iPad. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Pop-up windows can be helpful or distracting. Some websites require you to allow pop-ups. For example, a bank website might show monthly statements in pop-ups. Other websites might fill your screen with pop-up ads. You can allow or block pop-ups on individual websites or all websites. To do that, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your device and scroll down until you see the Safari option and tap on that. Scroll down again and under the General tab, you will see the option for Block Pop-ups. Go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for block pop-ups, and with this, you will now receive pop-ups in Safari on iPhone or iPad. So this is how you can allow pop-ups in Safari on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.